Did you know your kidneys are like your body's very own superhero duo? With great power comes great responsibility, and these bean-shaped powerhouses are working around the clock to keep you in tip-top shape. But what happens when our kidney crusaders start to falter? In today's video, we're going to uncover the warning signs that your kidneys might be failing. And trust me, you'll want to stick around for a little-known fun fact about kidneys that will definitely surprise you. Now, you might be wondering, why all the fuss about kidneys? Well, your kidneys aren't just good at filtering out waste and toxins, they also regulate blood pressure, produce hormones, and help maintain the balance of electrolytes in your body. So, it's essential to keep an eye out for any red flags that might indicate they're struggling. First up, we have the not-so-subtle sign of swelling. When your kidneys aren't performing at their peak, they may not be able to efficiently remove excess fluid from your body. This can lead to swelling, particularly in your ankles, feet, and legs. Keep an eye out for any sudden puffiness or discomfort in these areas. Next, let's talk about the dreaded brain fog. Your kidneys are crucial for regulating electrolytes, which directly impact brain function. If you're experiencing kidney trouble, you might find yourself struggling to concentrate or feeling unusually fatigued. If you feel like you're constantly walking through a mental haze, it could be a sign that your kidneys need some attention. Now, here's a sign that's a little harder to stomach: nausea and vomiting. When your kidneys aren't properly filtering out waste, toxins can build up in your bloodstream, causing you to feel sick. If you're regularly feeling nauseous or even vomiting, it's time to check in with your doctor. Moving on to a sign that might make you blush: changes in urination. Yep, we're going there. Kidney issues can lead to a host of changes in your bathroom habits, like increased frequency, decreased output, or even blood in your urine. Don't hesitate to chat with your doctor if you notice any of these changes. Now, drumroll, please. It's time for that fun fact I promised earlier. Did you know that the ancient Egyptians believed kidneys played a vital role in the afterlife? They thought kidneys were responsible for a person's moral compass and would be weighed in the afterlife to determine their fate. How wild is that? In conclusion, your kidneys are true superheroes, working tirelessly to keep you healthy. If you notice any of these warning signs, don't hesitate to reach out to your healthcare professional. After all, your kidneys might just need a little help to save the day.